Today we're going to be taking a look at another item from Aliexpress. This is a under the seat subwoofer. We're going to install this in my daughter's Peugeot 108, a budget subwoofer, 8 inches. Right, in the box, looks like we have some speaker cables, obviously a brief instruction pamphlet, and then the unit itself. Out of the box, I can tell you right now, it feels very well built, solid. I mean, this thing is heavy. Controls at the back. On the bottom of the speaker, got some Velcro here, so that'll stick to the carpet under the car, stop it sliding around under the seat. So that Peugeot 108 doesn't have very much space in it at all. Even the boot is quite small. Right, next up, we'll get this out to the vehicle. We'll see how to connect it to the Android screen. Okay, so basically what we're going to do, we're going to run from our harness behind the dashboard, down through the back panel here, along the door seals, back to the subwoofer. We've run the battery 12 volt plus down the left hand side of the vehicle. We're going to run the RCA down the right hand side of the vehicle to avoid any interference. So we're just going to solder an eyelet onto the battery side of the power cable. A bit of heat shrink tubing tidies that all up. You'll connect the cable going to the REM connector on the subwoofer to pin 3, which is the ACC accessories. So when your key is off, the subwoofer is off. Okay, so before we do any testing, let's disconnect the negative. So everything's disconnected. Then we'll connect our eye for the positive for the subwoofer. Then check all our wiring, reconnect our ground. Okay, so we've got our ground that's going up to a unpainted earth here on the body here. So that's a decent earth. Okay, then we've got our positive coming straight from the battery, that's fused. Then we have the signal coming from the ACC on the head unit, that's going to plug into our remote. And then obviously we have the RCA right and left. Final layout with all cables connected. Okay, so the subwoofer didn't end up fitting under the seat. It was a little bit too big. So this is the final fitment. It fits in the boot. Nice and neat. This top mesh here is metal, so you'll be able to put stuff on top of the subwoofer. No problem. Right, let's switch on the radio. So big improvement in the volume, decent amount of bass for the price. You're not going to beat it. As always, thanks for watching. Remember, there's always a fix, and I'll see you in the next one.